Hello and welcome again to my video channel. Today we're going to look at something totally different and show you something that you've never seen before. Well, this is it. But in actual fact, you will see it before. And what is it? Let's take it out of the box and have a look. This is a tattoo machine. But not an ordinary one. It's a very special one. If you check my website out, you'll see all the history of it, how it started. It was known in the United States as the $1,000 tattoo machine, and that was way back in the 70s, late 70s and 80s. Anyway, what's that got to do with engineering and workshop? I hear somebody ask. Well, it certainly has. Now, I said you've seen this before, because on every one of my videos, after maybe 2 minutes and 10 seconds, there's a little thing that occurs on the screen to the right hand side. You'll see it coming up there, and it's where it substitutes the the subscribe button, and there's a little picture of this being used to engrave some sort of plastic material. Anyway, you'll see it, and you can subscribe if you like it as well, because it's good, and you'll know more about it. Why I'm showing this is because for you that have don't remember or not noticed, I'm going to show you all the skills necessary to make one of these, because it's also a useful workshop tool. Workshop tool? Why? Well, I'm going to show you that. But first, let me just show you things. See, let's get it working, show you what happens. So I'll just plug it in here. It's 12 volt DC, and I plugged it in. I'll start it. None of you can hear it. It's very quiet. And I'm going to put a little light. See, there's a needle coming out at the nozzle, if you can just see it. Okay. Now you should have seen by now that little subscribe button that's coming down to the right hand side of your screen. Okay. Now, that's it. Now if I switch it off, I don't know if you can hear it because it is very quiet. Right, I'll switch it off and unplug it, because the sharp needles come out of here. I'll turn it round, turn the spindle around, drive shaft, and then you can see the needles there. Okay, there's a group of 3 needles coming out. And so it does all sorts of things. This is not just a tattoo machine. This is a hypograph, and a hypograph is the most versatile tattoo machine ever conceived. My customers tell me that as well. So what you can do with this, not just the tattooing, you can do engraving on it, and that picture on the subscribe button shows you engraving some plastic material. But take a look at this picture here, which I'm going to move the camera for you to have a look at, and it shows you how versatile it can be, because you can do engraving on all sorts of materials, and I'm going to show you something now. Okay. Whoops, just adjust the, sorry about that. Just adjust the picture, and there you've got an image. There, so you can see it there. I'll try to load it a bit more. Yeah, that's better. Now that is an image of a bobcat which is being engraved in colour on fossilised ivory. Okay, now let me set it back up. It's a nice picture, and it was done a customer of mine in Hawaii, and she's a famous artist. I mean, to do things like that is really something special. So I'm just showing you what you can do as a matter of interest. And I can show you how to make one of these machines, but you have to be a member of the technical assist page section to know the sequence of make it and acquire drawings. It's free at the moment because I'm extending the free period a little bit longer for you people who have not enrolled on that particular section. Just give you an extra bit of time to do it, and it's not just a Black Friday event anyway. Anyway, you can do that just by logging onto my website. You'll see how to log on to the website on the video you're watching now. If you go to About Us, there's a link in blue and it says Keith Langley International. Just click it, you'll come onto this website, what you've just seen. That's an image of it. Have a look at it. Now, what else I was going to say? Let me see now. Yeah, well, this little device called HYPOGRAPH. You're wondering, what? Not a workshop tool. But I'm telling you, it is. Because I actually use it even now. And when I made it, I thought, oh, this is a really useful tool, but not in its present mode. So what I've used it for is for deburring certain things. And when you get sharp edges on, for instance, on manufacturing, that cutout section there, it can be a little bit sharp on that edge and that edge. And with this attachment, very simple accessory, it works as a deburring tool. And it's a lot easier to manage than some of the cumbersome Dremels are too big. I'll just show you what happens. You can use it like that, but you can hang on to the handle there. But if you take the needle out, put that there, safekeeping. This nozzle assembly here, take this off, okay. Always put things down where you can find them, safekeeping. And there you are, 2 pieces. So when it comes to using it as a deburring tool, you can hold it like that, and there's a little piece, what I'll show you, but not today, because we're looking at that at another time. It works off a 12-volt controller. This is the speed controller, so it can go quite fast. So not only can you use it with deburring tool for the metal, it also has a facility so you can put very tiny drills in. And some of my customers, you know, they use it for drilling holes in when they're doing manicures and pedicures, and which is a raging industry right now. Everybody uses it, or into that sort of fashion. But this actually was used by a customer of mine in Waikiki, and she used it to drill holes in nails. Why do you want to drill a hole in a nail? Because some people like to mount little specified items of jewellery, or, you know, artwork and little beads of glass, or even diamonds. You've got to be careful with the diamonds, you don't want to flick it away. But you can read all about that on my website, which is Clint with a K, clint.co.uk. However, you can just get a link on this site about us, and then you can just link on that. Now, if you remember, it's clint.co.uk, and it's worth having a look at that website because it will be beneficial. It tells you all about this and how it came about. I'm currently working on a new model, which will replace it. And I was just checking the time of this video. So this is the hypograph. You will find it an interesting project to work on. I'll show you through future videos all the skills that you need to produce it. But if you want to get the dimensions and how the sequence of making it, you have to be a member of my Clint Assist, Technical Assist. I mentioned it last week, Technical Assist section, and then you can access how to do it and things, and I can even supply you with a special motor designed for it if you want to do that. But it does make a useful tool for a workshop. And in the next video I'll demonstrate it being used, but as you can guess, not today, because this concludes this video. So I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers, and thank you who are already members of the Technical Assist section. And if you like it, give us a like, spread the news among your friends, share it, and for those of you not subscribed to the channel, my channel, try and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and you might like some of the things you see. Until then, okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.